Is this by Nakagawa? Oh, this is Sachs's pump. You can go to V112. Those are 1940s ones. Not available next Saturday. I am the most handsome. Yours is big. This is that K3V 280. What about these Caterpillar 9? This is a relatively new model and should be compared to newer ones. Currently, only Andy is working on this model. Sorry. This thing is Korean, this one is Korean, that one is from Samsung. The motor is rotating back and forth. This is also from Korea. It's a Korean product that was returned, and it's brand new. Didn't Mr. Jang consume all the stock of that geothermal oil press? Geothermal. There are still some unsold until now. That geothermal stock is also needed.